Alright, so, felt a little bad about the other night, so I thought I'd come surprise him. And this is at Andrew's house. We have a nice little line of some habanero peppers that are going to lead us all the way down the hallway. To the magical spot on the bed with a triple steak burrito and some hot sauce with an extra jalapeno. And this lovely lady here.
It's called Ghetto Being a Wife. To show you how it is, over here we have some roasted.
And I don't know what that tube is, but I don't want to know. Nope, don't even tell me.
Okay, keep moving on.
Alright, well let's hope that he enjoys this as much as we did. Winning!
This is how we do it. Bye.